Okay, so today we're going to explore a new thing, a very minor thing, but it's a huge in terms of how you can move the settings and profiles from one user to another user. In your team, for example, someone was testing and then he goes on leave or holiday, and then someone has to set up the same testing environment. So what they can do, instead of recreating everything from beginning, there is an option. Go to profiles, and then folder. For example, this one, they want to transfer into the new user, change owner. So here, if multiple users are there, they can actually search the username, select it and confirm. So that way the user will be changed. The new user will have access to this one. So this is pretty good option. I'm using, I think, the very personal basic free version. Possibly that's why I do not have other option, because it's only one user I have. This is the personal account. So company or corporate users can have their apps options, I guess, but this is pretty neat. You can, or maybe you have another personal account, you have logged in into your another PC, you want to transfer this whole setup into that user ID. You can do that using email ID. Let me do this.